Ever pondered why apple cider vinegar is suggested for weight reduction? This isn't another health trend, it's backed by scientific research. Apple cider vinegar, often abbreviated as ACV, is created during the fermentation of apple juice. This process involves the conversion of sugar into alcohol, a substance that is then fermented again. The result of this double fermentation is acetic acid. This acid is not just a byproduct, it plays a pivotal role in the benefits of ACV. Acetic acid is the star player, the magic component that justifies ACV's reputation in the health and wellness community. It's the key ingredient in ACV that is associated with its health benefits, including weight loss. But why is acetic acid so pivotal? Acetic acid is a fascinating compound that has drawn increasing attention in the health-wellness sphere. Many health enthusiasts attribute its popularity to its perceived multitude of health benefits. Some of the most commonly touted benefits include, perhaps surprisingly, its potential to support weight loss efforts. The mechanisms behind this are very interesting. You see, acetic acid belongs to the group of molecules known as short-chain fatty acids. When it enters your body, it undergoes a series of reactions. It breaks down into two chief components, acetate and hydrogen. These compounds then interact with your body in remarkable ways. This intriguing acid is known to suppress your appetite, effectively helping you to control your calorie intake. It also gives your metabolism a helpful boost, which facilitates the burning of calories. Furthermore, it is said to reduce water retention, thereby offering relief from bloating. This acid is known to suppress your appetite, increase your metabolism, and reduce water retention. When your appetite is under control, you consume fewer calories, which is a major factor that affects weight loss. This is a simple concept. The less you eat, the fewer calories you ingest, directly translating to weight loss. Alongside this metabolism, the process by which your body converts what you eat and drink into energy plays a key role. An increased metabolic rate ensures that your body is more efficient at burning calories faster. It's like a well-oiled machine, constantly even if you're at rest. Add another aspect into the mix, water retention. A decrease in this area helps in weight reduction, as our bodies often hold on to excess water weight. Once this is calmed down, the water weight is eliminated, further leading to weight loss. Research has pointed towards the potential of apple cider vinegar, commonly abbreviated as ACV, in decreasing sugar cravings and enhancing insulin sensitivity. Insulin, a crucial hormone in our body, is responsible for the regulation of glucose or blood sugar levels. Its primary is to facilitate the intake of glucose into cells from the bloodstream. A heightened sensitivity to insulin implies that our body becomes more efficient in responding to the hormone. This efficiency is essential as it makes it easier to maintain stable blood sugar levels. Stable blood sugar levels are vital in managing our eating habits. By preventing drastic fluctuations, we avoid overeating, which often leads to unwanted weight gain. When your body is more responsive to insulin, it's easier to keep your blood sugar levels in check, which can prevent overeating and weight gain. However, it's important to note that ACV alone can't work miracles. While it's not a magic potion for instant weight loss, it can indeed supplement a planned diet and a regular workout regimen. ACV, short for apple cider vinegar, best known for its weight loss benefits, all thanks to its central component, acetic acid. This acid features several beneficial properties. It's known to curb your appetite, stimulate metabolism, decrease swelling caused by excess water retention, and mitigate cravings for sugary treats. Not just that, acetic acid can also enhance insulin sensitivity, which contributes further to weight loss. However, the key is to consume it in the right manner. Experts recommend taking 1 to 2 tablespoons of ACV diluted in water before your meals for optimal benefits. But it's always essential to remember, ACV should not be considered a standalone weight loss solution. A healthy lifestyle with a balanced diet and regular exercise is crucial. When next you spot that apple cider vinegar bottle, realize it's not only a kitchen necessity, but also an ally in your weight loss journey. This is due to its numerous health benefits. One of the most significant is its impact on weight loss. Apple cider vinegar contains acetic acid, which is known to boost your metabolism, helping you burn those extra calories effectively. It also helps reduce sugar cravings, a common pitfall in many weight loss efforts. However, be cautious not to overconsume. Even healthy substances can have negative impacts when overused. This is especially relevant for apple cider vinegar, which can be quite strong and may lead to digestive issues if consumed excessively. As always, balance is key in maintaining good health. And that's it for today. We hope you've learned something new about the wonders of apple cider vinegar. Join us again for more exciting health tips.